10th Biology, Unit 16, Plant and Animal Hormones. In this part, we will see about the last two plant hormones, ethylene and abscisic acid. Ethylene is a gaseous hormone. It is a fruit ripening hormone. What we see here is unripe fruit. Ethylene helps the ripening of fruit, and ethylene is found more in the ripened fruit. It is a gaseous hormone. It helps the ripening of fruit. What is ripening of fruit? The tender fruit changes, the color is changed, the fruit becomes soft. That is ripening. The first physiological effect of ethylene is it causes fruit ripening of apple, banana, mango and tomato. Ethylene inhibits the elongation of stem and root in dicots. It is the opposite of axons. Axons promote elongation of stem. Gibberellins promote extraordinary elongation of stem. But ethylene inhibits the elongation of stem and root in dicot plants. A small leaf grows and size increases. It becomes mature leaf. Slowly the chlorophyll disappears. It reaches senescence. Senescence is the aging part of a leaf or fruit or a plant. Ethylene hastens the senescence of leaves and flowers. Ethylene increases the speed of appearance of senescence of leaves and flowers. The reproductive maturity or maturity of the leaf, then it reaches the end of the life, that is senescence. Loosely arranged cells are formed at the base of leaf or flowers. That is called as abscission zone. This is abscission zone showing loosely arranged cells. They are found at the base of the leaf, flower and fruits. This is due to ethylene. Ethylene stimulates the formation of abscission zone in leaves, flowers and fruits. This leads to premature shedding. If ethylene is produced more, that causes shedding of or falling of flowers, fruits before maturity. Ethylene breaks dormancy of buds, seeds and storage organs. So ethylene breaks the dormancy of buds. When the dormancy of bud is broken, the bud grows and branch grows. When the dormancy of seed completes, the seed germinates and new plant emerges. This is by ethylene. Ethylene breaks seed dormancy and bud dormancy. This is a mango kept inside a polythene cover. Here a mango kept inside the polythene cover with a ripened banana. The ripened banana fruit will release ethylene. So which mango will ripen faster? This mango will ripen faster. This will ripen before this mango, because this ripened banana will produce ethylene. That ethylene remain inside the polythene bag and makes this mango ripen faster. This is true. This mango ripens faster before this one. The last plant hormone, abscisic acid. Abscisic acid is a growth inhibitor. It regulates abscission and dormancy. Dormancy means inactive state. Inactive state of potato or inactive state of a seed. After the dormancy only the seed will germinate. Abscission, the falling of fruits, leaves, flowers, both are regulated by abscisic acid. The first physiological effect of abscisic acid is it regulates abscission, that is falling of the leaves. It promotes the process of abscission. There is separation of leaves, flowers, fruits from the branch. And it is called a stress hormone. It helps the plant to tolerate the stress condition. Example, when water is available, the stomata opens. When the root system absorbs plenty of water, the stomata opens for transpiration. What is transpiration? Loss of water. If the root system does not absorb water, very dry condition, the stomata closes, because the stomatal cells have abscisic acid that causes closure of stomata. After the stomata closes, water loss will be stopped, so plant is protected. During water stress, that is absence of water, and drought condition, abscisic acid cause stomatal closure. Closing of stomata is caused by abscisic acid. It helps the plant to tolerate stress, so this is called a stress hormone. Abscisic acid promotes senescence in leaves by causing loss of chlorophyll. When the leaf becomes aged, the chlorophyll disappears and yellow color pigments appear. This is senescence, that is the end of the life of a leaf. Abscisic acid promotes senescence, that results in loss of chlorophyll. And abscisic acid causes bud dormancy. Bud becomes inactive during winter season. During winter seasons, the buds remain inactive, so no new, and after the completion of winter, the buds grow. Each bud grows into a new branch with more leaves. Abscisic acid induces bud dormancy. Dormancy means inactive state towards the approach of winter in trees like birch. In trees like birch during winter season, abscisic acid induces bud dormancy. Abscisic acid is a powerful inhibitor of lateral bud growth in tomato. In tomato, abscisic acid inhibits lateral bud growth. Lateral bud growth is very slow in tomato because of abscisic acid. In the next video, we move on to animal hormones.